If you are looking for an easy way to create custom documents, reports, labels, or emails from the data you have stored in any of your spreadsheets, then the MergeFactory is the tool you need for your Gmail or corporate G Suite accounts. You create your own document and email templates, and the merges happen with our simple merge markers. The data, header, date, and time markers are intuitive and easy. In fact, using our merge markers means your spreadsheet doesn't even have to have a header row. Here is a document template designed for this spreadsheet. Here are column data markers and header data markers to indicate where you want the data to merge. To create a new merge, you simply select a group of rows or an individual row, select your desired template, and initiate the merge. When the merge is complete, a link is available in the Results tab. You can then select either additional rows or a new template and initiate another merge to fill in the document you just created. Your row will append a new page to the end of the new merged document based on your template. And the result is that you can easily create multi-page, multi-templated custom reports and documents with the MergeFactory. Each spreadsheet in your account has its own set of templates. New templates are easy to create and well documented with our help icons. We also have extensive help videos if you really want step-by-step instructions. The MergeFactory does not have access to your data, and your data never leaves the G Suite environment. This means your data cannot be accessed, copied, or misused in any way. The free version allows for one template for each spreadsheet in your account. The premium version offers multiple templates for our doc merge, email merge, a combo merge, a label merge, and a handy formatting options sidebar. We offer a free 30-day trial so you can thoroughly test the premium versions of the add-on. The premium subscriptions are only $24 per year per user account. We do not automatically renew your subscriptions. No spreadsheet templates are lost if you do not resubscribe right away. And premium payments are only accepted through the Go Premium sidebar of each individual account. The MergeFactory uses Sheets, Docs, and Gmail to easily integrate your spreadsheet data. Install it now, give it a test run, and please leave a review. Contact me through the About sidebar with any questions. Thank you.